Hi! In this clip I'm going to show you how to use a pregnancy band to nurse when you're in public and still have some cover up in the postpartum belly area. This is a Bella band, and it is created for the pregnant mom who is in between her old pants and pregnancy pants, so that it keeps her pants on when she has to unbutton that top button. But it's great for the postpartum mom who's still not into her old pants yet, who needs to keep that top button open, or still in maternity pants to keep them on. But another benefit of it is for breastfeeding. When you wear this, it covers up your belly, so you can really wear any shirt and breastfeed. I'm wearing one right now. So I wanted to show you, if this wasn't a nursing shirt and I didn't pull it aside, it's just a regular t-shirt with a Bella band on, you can lift up your t-shirt and nobody sees your skin because you've got the Bella band on. So when you're going to breastfeed your baby, you just lift up your shirt, latch the baby on, and your midriff is covered by the Bella band, right like that. And your top is covered by your regular old t-shirt. And so you're nursing on that side. When the baby's done, you just drop your shirt down. You're still covered up everywhere. And then you just nurse on the other side and do the same thing. It's a great thing to have for a new mom, new pregnant mom. It's a great gift too.